1. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $34,500, located in Cullman, Alabama. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a purpose-built drag car designed for serious quarter-mile competition. Finished in black with a black interior, the car is equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline-powered engine. The vehicle reportedly has 10,000 miles and is presented as a race-ready combination with proven track performance. The seller states that the car has no VIN, so buyers should carefully verify all identification and ownership documentation before considering a purchase. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a Firebird carburetor. The engine is paired with a stock case Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake. The rear suspension uses a ladder bar setup, while the rear axle is a Dana 60 with 5.13 gears, a relatively new spool, and axles. New weld wheels and tires are included, with 15 by 13.50 rear tires providing substantial traction for drag racing. The Camaro also features KR wiring and a Mega 450 delay system for race control. Its removable fiberglass front end helps reduce weight and simplify access during maintenance. The cabin and rear quarter areas remain steel, while glass is installed in both the front and rear sections. According to the seller, this Camaro runs approximately 6.40 seconds in hot conditions and has previously recorded a 6.21 second pass on gasoline. The seller describes the car as mechanically sound and ready to race. With a $34,739 asking price, this Camaro offers a serious drag racing foundation for an experienced enthusiast seeking a competitive classic Chevrolet. 2. 1980 Chevrolet Monza Super Gas Drag Car. Price, $22,500, located in Lenox, Georgia. This 1980 Chevrolet Monza Super Gas Drag car is built for serious straight-line competition and is presented as a high-quality race machine. The seller describes it as a fat-tire big block car equipped with a 2-speed transmission and trans brake. It has never been sprayed or boosted, emphasizing a naturally aspirated combination designed around consistency and reliability. The car is described as used but like new, with only 9 passes on the engine. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch World Products block featuring Rusty Jenkins World Products heads, eagle bottom end components, forged pistons, and a Lunati cam and lifters. Custom jet-coated headers complete the engine package. The chassis includes a mid-plate and full strut configuration, providing a solid foundation for controlled launches and predictable handling. A Dana 60 rear end handles the power, while an MSD Digital 6 ignition system manages engine control. The car also includes a Denver delay box and a new parachute for additional racing capability and safety. According to the seller, no corners were cut during construction, and the car leaves the starting line and drives straight. The asking price is $22,500, although the seller indicates that the price is negotiable. No trades are currently being considered. This Monza could be an attractive option for an enthusiast looking for a proven super gas-style drag car with substantial big block performance and relatively limited engine passes. Serious buyers should inspect the chassis, drivetrain, safety equipment, and documentation carefully before purchase. 3. 1987 Pontiac Grand Am LT. Price, $20,000, located in DeSoto, Missouri. This 1987 Pontiac Grand Am LT is presented as a lightweight drag racing project with a strong small block combination and proven track performance. Finished in green with a black interior, the car has an automatic transmission, gasoline fuel system, and approximately 1,000 miles reported in the listing. The vehicle is described as a one-owner example and has been configured specifically for racing rather than street driving. The engine is a 406 cubic inch small block featuring a Callis Compstar crankshaft, Molnar connecting rods, JE pistons, Brodix heads, and an Edelbrock intake. Power is delivered through a 2-speed Powerglide transmission equipped with a Yank 5500 stall converter. A Dana 60 rear end with 5.14 gears provides the strength needed for hard launches and repeated drag strip use. The car features a fiberglass front end and fiberglass rear half quarters, helping reduce overall weight. At approximately 2,200 pounds without a driver, the lightweight construction contributes to its performance. The suspension uses a ladder bar configuration, while new master cylinders and brake pads have been installed. A dual master cylinder setup provides additional control for racing applications. According to the seller, the car has recorded 5.99 seconds in good air and 6.10 seconds in hot conditions. The engine has approximately 15 to 20 passes since being freshened, primarily to set up the car and ensure it travels straight down the track. Priced at $20,000, this Pontiac offers a focused drag racing package for enthusiasts seeking a lightweight and capable classic race car. 4. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $50,000, located in Jackson, Georgia. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is a purpose-built drag racing machine combining classic American muscle with serious competition hardware. Finished in silver, this Chevelle is equipped with an automatic transmission and has approximately 500 miles reported in the listing. The seller describes the car with a powerful big block combination and a carefully prepared chassis designed for strong launches and consistent track performance. At the center of the build is a 582 cubic inch big block engine equipped with BB3X cylinder heads and an APD alcohol carburetor. The engine is paired with an FTI Powerglide transmission and matching converter, providing a proven combination for drag racing applications. Omega 475 and grid system are included to help manage the engine and provide precise control during competition. The rear suspension features a 4-link setup connected to a fabricated 9-inch rear end. Carbon fiber tubs are also installed, helping accommodate large rear tires while contributing to the overall race-focused design. The combination of lightweight components, powerful engine hardware, and dedicated suspension equipment makes this Chevelle particularly suited to enthusiasts looking for a serious drag racing platform. With an asking price of $50,000, this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle represents a substantial investment in a classic race car that has been heavily modified for performance. The available information does not specify the interior color, fuel type is listed as other, and additional details should be confirmed directly with the seller. Located in Jackson, Georgia, this Chevelle could appeal to experienced racers and classic muscle enthusiasts searching for a high-horsepower Chevrolet. Buyers should inspect the engine, transmission, chassis, suspension, safety equipment, and documentation carefully before completing any transaction. 5. 1980 AMC Spirit. Price, $16,000, located in Grove City, Ohio. This 1980 AMC Spirit is a heavily modified classic American compact built for drag racing. The car features an LS-swapped 5.3-liter engine with a sloppy Stage 2 camshaft, creating a modern power combination inside an older American body. The engine is paired with a TH400 automatic transmission equipped with a transbrake and a new 3500 stall converter for racing. A new driveshaft and a Ford 9-inch rear end with new 3.70 gears are also included. The engine management package includes a new MSD 60143 box designed for the LS combination. The seller states that everything needed to operate the LS with a carburetor has been replaced with new parts. A grid system remains installed from the previous engine, along with an MSD 6AL box, for race preparation. The chassis has been mini-tubbed and fitted with ladder bars for drag racing tires. The original stock fuel tank remains in place, while the rear end and fuel tank have been powder-coated. According to the seller, the car has never been down the track and had only been running with the LS setup for about a month. The car is described as originating from Georgia and having no rust, with a clean over. Priced at $16,000, this AMC Spirit offers an unusual platform with modern LS performance and drag racing potential for an enthusiast seeking something genuinely different. 6. 1995 Chevrolet Corvette drag car. Price, $25,000, located in Mendenhall, Mississippi. This 1995 Chevrolet Corvette drag car is presented as a well-built and carefully prepared racing machine designed around consistency and strong and repeatable track performance. The car wears a burgundy exterior with a silver interior inside, giving the Corvette a distinctive appearance. The seller describes it as a good car with consistent and repeatable timeslips, showing dependable performance at the track. Power comes from a big block engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The big block and Powerglide combination offers a proven foundation for drag racing. The listing states that there is much more racing equipment included, but specific details are not provided, so interested buyers should contact the seller for drivetrain, chassis, suspension, and safety details. The Corvette body provides a recognizable and aggressive performance shape, while the car has been prepared specifically for racing rather than street use. Its consistent and repeatable timeslips are an important point for racers looking for a machine that has already demonstrated repeatable track performance. With an asking price of $25,000, this 1995 Chevrolet Corvette represents an opportunity for an enthusiast seeking a built drag car without starting a complete drag racing project from scratch. Buyers should inspect the engine, transmission, rear end, chassis, brakes, safety equipment, and race certification before purchase any decision. Located in Mendenhall, Mississippi, this Corvette could appeal to racers searching for a big block-powered classic drag machine. The seller requests serious inquiries and describes it as well-built. A careful detailed inspection and verification of all included equipment are recommended before any transaction. 7. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $50,000, located in Buckner, Missouri. This 1985 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is a purpose-built full-chassis drag car designed for serious racing performance. Finished in black with a black interior, the Camaro is equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline fuel system. The listing reports 1,234 miles, although buyers should verify the actual mileage in vehicle documentation before purchase. This Camaro has been extensively modified and is presented as a complete race-ready package. Power comes from a 632 cubic inch Sunset Performance engine, providing substantial displacement and horsepower potential for competitive drag racing. The engine is connected to a PowerGlide automatic transmission, a proven choice for high-performance drag applications because of its simplicity, strength, and quick-shifting characteristics. The car also features a full chassis designed specifically for racing. A complete electronics package is included, along with a data logger system that can help monitor and record important vehicle information during track sessions. This equipment provides racers with valuable information for tuning the engine, transmission, and overall setup. The combination of the large displacement engine, PowerGlide transmission, full chassis, and electronic data logging makes this Camaro a serious competition-oriented vehicle rather than an ordinary street car. Its classic Camaro body style also gives it strong visual appeal while maintaining its purpose as a dedicated drag machine. Priced at $50,000, this Chevrolet Camaro offers an established foundation for an enthusiast looking for a high-horsepower race car. Located in Buckner, Missouri, the vehicle should be inspected carefully, with special attention given to the engine, transmission, chassis construction, electronics, safety equipment, and racing certification. Serious buyers should verify all specifications directly with the seller before completing any transaction. 8. 1955 Chevrolet Classic. Price, $25,000, located in St. Louis, Missouri. This 1955 Chevrolet Classic is a solid example of an iconic American car with traditional styling and a straightforward mechanical combination. Finished in black with a black interior, the vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline engine. The listing reports 37,000 miles and identifies the vehicle as a one-owner example, adding an appealing ownership history for collectors and enthusiasts. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. This combination provides a familiar and dependable foundation for cruising, local shows, or future customization. According to the seller, the car is very solid and has a nice interior. The seller also states that everything in the car works, suggesting that the vehicle can provide a more comfortable ownership experience than a typical unfinished project. The 1955 Chevrolet body is one of the most recognizable designs from the classic American automotive era. Its timeless shape makes it especially attractive to enthusiasts interested in traditional hot rods, street machines, and custom builds. The seller mentions possible interest in trades involving drag cars, pro street cars, gassers, hot rods, Novas, Camaros, Chevelles, and Vegas. Priced at $25,000, this Chevrolet offers a combination of classic appearance, usable mechanical equipment, and a solid overall presentation. The seller indicates that a trade was already planned but decided to advertise the vehicle to see what other opportunities might be available. Located in St. Louis, Missouri, this classic Chevrolet could appeal to someone searching for a clean starting point for a traditional custom or street cruiser. Buyers should inspect the body, frame, drivetrain, title, and mechanical condition carefully before purchase. 9. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car. Price, $45,000, located in Trussville, Alabama. This 1970 Chevrolet Camaro split bumper drag car is a serious turnkey racing machine built for high-performance competition. Finished in fierce red with a silver interior, the Camaro is equipped with an automatic transmission and gasoline fuel system. The vehicle is described as being in excellent condition with a clean title and no significant damage or problems. Power comes from a fresh 509 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine designed for strong drag strip performance. The engine runs on C16 racing fuel and is supported by two nitrous systems with a progressor controller. The nitrous systems can be adjusted while the car is staged, giving the driver flexibility when managing power delivery. The transmission is a 2-speed power glide equipped with a Pro brake. A full tube chassis provides the foundation for the race setup, while the rear suspension uses a Dana rear end in 4-link configuration. Double beadlock wheels provide additional traction support, and Menser shocks are installed at both the front and rear. The Camaro also features a racepack digital display, MSD grid, crank trigger, MSD ignition coil, and MSD distributor. A laptop is included with the car, providing additional equipment for tuning and monitoring the combination. Custom zoom eyes complete the aggressive racing appearance and exhaust setup. Priced at $45,000, this Camaro is offered as a complete turnkey race car rather than a roller or unfinished project. Located in Trussville, Alabama, it could be an excellent choice for an enthusiast seeking a classic Chevrolet with substantial horsepower and modern racing electronics. Buyers should verify all specifications, safety equipment, and track requirements before purchase. 10. 1970 GMC Firebird. Price, $25,000, located in Cookeville, Tennessee. This 1970 GMC Firebird is an interesting classic vehicle offered as a potential race or street project. According to the seller, the car can be used for racing or street driving with a little additional work. This makes it an appealing option for an enthusiast who wants a vintage vehicle that can be developed according to personal preferences and driving goals. The vehicle is reported with only 500 miles and features an automatic transmission. It has a white exterior combined with a black interior, creating a simple classic appearance. The gasoline-powered drivetrain provides a traditional foundation for a project that could be customized for either performance driving or cruising. The seller describes the vehicle very briefly, so there are limited mechanical and technical details available in the listing. Important information such as engine specifications, rear axle configuration, suspension components, brake equipment, transmission details, chassis modifications, and overall restoration history is not provided. Buyers interested in this vehicle should therefore inspect the car carefully and confirm all specifications before making a purchase. The phrase race or street with a little work suggests that the vehicle may already have characteristics suitable for performance use, while still requiring additional preparation before being considered fully ready for either purpose. Its automatic transmission could make it convenient for street driving, while the classic body provides plenty of opportunities for future upgrades. At a price, $25,000, located in Cookeville, Tennessee, this 1970 GMC Firebird could be an interesting starting point for someone searching for an unusual classic project. The white exterior and black interior provide a clean base for customization, while the reported low mileage adds interest. Serious buyers should verify the vehicle identity, condition, title, drivetrain, and exact equipment before purchase. 11. 1994 Chevrolet Corvette. Price, $60,000, located in Fayette, Alabama. This 1994 Chevrolet Corvette is a highly modified Bickel turbovet built specifically for serious drag racing performance. The car features an all-chromoly chassis designed to provide strength and rigidity for high-horsepower applications. Under the hood is a turbocharged LS engine supported by a fresh PTC Pro Mod Powerglide transmission and converter combination. The Corvette is equipped with Holley engine management and supporting electronic systems, giving the combination the technology needed to monitor and control its powerful turbocharged setup. Power is transferred through a 9-inch rear end featuring an aluminum center section, providing a proven foundation for competitive drag racing. The car is also equipped with racing slicks that reportedly have only one pass on them. Weight is another important feature, with the seller stating that the Corvette weighs approximately 2,225 pounds with the driver included. This lightweight configuration combined with turbocharged LS power gives the car considerable performance potential. The seller states that the Corvette has already been very fast while running moderate boost, while also emphasizing that the combination still has plenty of potential for additional performance. This suggests the current setup may not be operating at its maximum capability. The vehicle is finished in black with a silver interior and is listed with 12,435 miles. However, because this is a purpose-built race car, the mileage should be considered differently from a standard street Corvette. At a price, $60,000, located in Fayette, Alabama, this 1994 Chevrolet Corvette is aimed at enthusiasts looking for a serious turbocharged drag racing platform. The seller is open to trades involving suitable street cars, small tire cars, or diesel trucks, with additional cash potentially required. Buyers should verify all specifications and race equipment before purchase. 12. 1993 Ford Mustang. Price, $18,000, located in Monroeville, Alabama. This 1993 Ford Mustang Coupe is a modified performance car built around a powerful small-block Chevrolet engine and a serious collection of racing equipment. The car is finished in black with a black interior, giving it a clean and aggressive appearance that fits its performance-focused character. Under the hood is a 388 cubic inch small-block Chevrolet engine featuring a new dark block. The engine combination is supported by a new vacuum pump and new water pump, helping provide a strong foundation for continued performance use. The car also comes with a new nitrous system, allowing the owner to add additional power when properly configured and tuned. Fuel delivery is handled by a new carburetor, while the electrical and tuning system includes a new grid system. The seller also mentions a new nitrous line and bottle, providing additional equipment for the performance setup. Extra parts are included with the car, although the specific items are not individually listed. The vehicle reportedly has 125,125 miles and uses an automatic transmission. Because the Mustang has been heavily modified for performance, the mileage should not be interpreted in the same way as mileage on a completely original street car. The black exterior and black interior provide a classic appearance while the upgraded drivetrain gives the car a much more aggressive purpose. The seller is also open to trades, making this Mustang potentially interesting for buyers with another performance vehicle to offer. At a price, $18,000, located in Monroeville, Alabama, this 1993 Ford Mustang offers a combination of classic Fox body styling, Chevrolet small block power, nitrous capability, and updated racing electronics. Serious buyers should inspect the engine, nitrous system, wiring, transmission, chassis, and included parts carefully before completing any purchase. 13. 1988 Ford Mustang Notchback. Price, $23,000, located in Byram, Mississippi. This 1988 Ford Mustang Notchback is a purpose-built race car offered at $23,000, combining a clean presentation with a carefully selected collection of performance components. The chassis features a tubular front suspension and K-member, along with fiberglass hood and trunk panels that help reduce weight. Billet Specialties 5-lug conversion components are installed at both ends, complemented by 275 Pro rear brackets, Willwood front and rear brakes, 35 spline axles, AFCO shocks, and adjustable upper and lower rear control arms. Power comes from an LS engine equipped with a forged 4XX rotating assembly and AFR V2 cylinder heads. The combination also includes a Holley split intake manifold and Holley XP950 carburetor. For additional performance, the car uses a nitrous outlet Stinger 2-stage plate system and nitrous outlet Pro Max with screen. Ignition control is handled by an LS6014 ignition box, while an ARC Model 8000 switch and control panel supports the vehicle's electrical and performance systems. The drivetrain is built around a BTE Top Sportsman Powerglide transmission with an aftermarket case and 1.69 planetary gearset. A custom BTE 9-inch nitrous converter completes the transmission package. Additional equipment includes a Motion Raceworks 2-speed shifter and a lightweight Go lithium battery with charger. With its race-oriented suspension, braking system, strengthened drivetrain, LS power, and nitrous equipment, this Mustang Notchback is designed for enthusiasts seeking a serious performance platform. The seller describes it as clean and well-built, with quality components throughout for racing. Serious inquiries are encouraged for more information and additional photos. 14. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price, $95,000, located in Greensboro, Alabama. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a highly specialized race car featuring an extensive list of professional components and updates. Originally built by Bickel in 2007, the Camaro was updated by Bickel again in 2024, bringing its race technology and systems up to date. The car has been driven only 555 miles according to the provided vehicle information and uses an automatic transmission. The Camaro is wired for fuel injection and features XTR6 kits integrated with RaceWire technology. Its suspension system includes Penske rear shocks and Lamb front struts, providing carefully developed handling characteristics for competition use. Carbon brakes are installed for strong stopping performance, while a RacePack system monitors every sensor throughout the vehicle. Engine and traction management are supported by an MSD grid system and Davis traction control. The car is specifically set up for a 5.3 engine combined with a 400 lockup transmission arrangement, giving the next owner a defined platform for completing or continuing the race build. Several lightweight and specialized components are included. The car comes with 3 sets of front caps, consisting of 1 carbon set and 2 fiberglass sets. A carbon driveshaft is also fitted to reduce weight and support the race drivetrain. Titanium wheelie bars are included, along with spare chrome moly bars for additional setup options. The Camaro also features a titanium tunnel, adding another specialized component to its race-focused construction. Finished in blue on the exterior, this 1968 Camaro RS Coupe represents a serious competition-oriented project with extensive professional development. Its combination of Bickel construction, updated electronics, advanced suspension, carbon components, and traction control makes it an interesting choice for dedicated racing enthusiasts seeking a highly developed classic Camaro platform. 15. 1973 Oldsmobile Omega. Price, $8,500, located in Wingo, Kentucky. This 1973 Oldsmobile Omega is a straight roller designed as a practical bracket racing project. Offered at $8,500, the car provides a solid foundation for an enthusiast who wants to install an engine and transmission and go racing. The seller describes the body as very straight, with the only rust located in the hatch area as shown in the available pictures. The Omega comes equipped with a brand new set of 28 by 10.5 by 15 Hoosier slicks and a 12-bolt rear end with 5.13 gearing. Caltracs are installed along with QA1 rear shocks and aftermarket front shocks, giving the chassis equipment intended for drag racing applications. A Holley fuel pump is included, and the fuel system and wiring are already present, helping simplify the process of completing the car. The vehicle is set up for a Powerglide transmission and small block Chevrolet engine. Additional equipment includes a line lock, B&M shifter with shift solenoid, detachable steering wheel, and swing-out bar. These features make the Omega particularly suitable for someone looking for a straightforward bracket car project. The seller rates the paint approximately 7.5 out of 10. The car retains all glass rather than Lexan, maintaining a more traditional appearance while still serving as a competition-oriented platform. One important consideration is that this vehicle has no title. The seller states that a bill of sale will be provided upon purchase. Priced at $8,500 or best offer, trades are welcome, although cash is preferred. With its straight body, racing suspension, 12-bolt rear end, slick tires, and existing fuel system, this 1973 Oldsmobile Omega offers a strong starting point for a dedicated bracket racing build. 16. 1983 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $12,000, located in Cave City, Kentucky. This 1983 Ford Thunderbird is a dedicated drag racer offered at $12,000, featuring a powerful engine, lightweight construction, and a collection of racing equipment. Finished in blue with a blue interior, the Thunderbird is powered by a 520 cubic inch stroker engine producing approximately 800 horsepower. The engine was professionally built by Keys High Performance, and the seller has the machine shop receipt detailing the work completed on the engine. Power is delivered through a Powerglide 2-speed transmission built by John Craighead. The drivetrain also includes a strange rear end with 5.14 gearing and axles. The car uses a 4-link suspension, while the transmission is equipped with a trans brake, 2-step, and delay box for drag racing applications. This Thunderbird has recorded impressive performance figures, running low 6-second times in the eighth mile and mid 9-second times in the quarter mile according to the seller. Lightweight construction includes an aluminum front bumper, fiberglass hood and scoop, gutted doors, and lightweight glass. The car weighs approximately 2,800 pounds, helping support its strong straight-line performance. The seller also includes the original Cobra jet heads, a dual-plane intake, and an 1100 Holley carburetor. Additional racing equipment includes a G-Force XL triple-layer firesuit. The listing is described as a preliminary posting, with more photographs and possibly a video expected from the seller. With its professionally built 520 cubic inch engine, Powerglide transmission, for-link suspension, lightweight body components, and proven drag racing performance, this 1983 Ford Thunderbird presents an established racing platform for enthusiasts interested in a serious classic drag car. The gasoline-powered Thunderbird is ready for continued racing development and use. 17. 1972 Chevrolet Nova 2-door. Price, $44,500, located in Xenia, Ohio. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova 2-door is a rust-free classic performance car offered at $44,900. The vehicle has approximately 100,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, with black exterior and black interior. Built around a modern turbocharged LS combination, this Nova is designed for strong straight-line performance while retaining the recognizable appearance of a classic Chevrolet. The engine is equipped with twin turbochargers and is paired with a Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake and PTC converter. This combination provides a purpose-built drivetrain for drag racing and performance driving. At the rear, the Nova uses a Ford 8.8 rear end with 3.55 gearing, providing a solid foundation for the turbocharged engine. The suspension setup includes split mono-leaf springs combined with Caltrax, while Moser axles are used as part of the rear drivetrain. These components are intended to provide improved traction and strength under hard acceleration. Engine management is handled by a Holley Terminator X system, and the vehicle is set up to run on E85 fuel. The seller describes the car as 100% rust-free, which is an important feature for anyone searching for a classic Nova with a clean body. Its combination of a twin-turbo LS engine, Powerglide transmission, trans brake, Ford rear end, traction-focused suspension, and modern electronic engine management gives this Nova a distinctly performance-oriented character. Priced at $44,900, this 1972 Chevrolet Nova offers a strong combination of classic styling and modern racing hardware. For enthusiasts seeking a rust-free two-door Nova with serious turbocharged performance potential, this example provides an exciting platform with substantial performance equipment already installed and ready for further development. 18. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro LS Coupe. Price, $16,000, located in Prophetstown, Illinois. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro LS Coupe is a performance-oriented classic offered at $16,000. The car has approximately 1,000 miles, uses an automatic transmission, and features a gray exterior with a black interior. It has a clean title and is described as having no significant damage or major problems. Power comes from a Sirius 412 cubic inch small block Chevrolet roller engine producing approximately 610 horsepower and 587 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a built TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a 3,500 stall converter. At the rear, the original 10-bolt axle was completely rebuilt with a new Yukon 3.73 Posey unit and the biggest available axles, providing additional strength for the performance drivetrain. The Camaro is described as rust-free, although the seller notes that the paint needs some attention. The interior is said to be very nice, with the exception of the missing headliner. The car rides on jegs wheels with new Nitto drag radials at the rear, while new Mickey Thompson front tires were installed in the spring. According to the seller, the Camaro runs great and drives great. The engine is designed to run on 110-octane fuel, so buyers should consider the requirements associated with its current setup. The clean title is in the seller's name. The asking price is $16,000, with a roller option available for $6,000. Trades are also welcome. With its powerful 412 cubic inch engine, built TH350 transmission, upgraded rear axle, drag tires, rust-free body, and clean title, this 1981 Camaro offers an appealing foundation for a classic performance enthusiast seeking a ready-to-drive street and drag-oriented car. 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe. Price, $55,000, located in Daphne, Alabama. This 2000 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe is a professionally built small-tire drag racing car offered at $55,000. The car has approximately 500 miles, an automatic transmission, white exterior, gray interior, gasoline fuel, and a clean title. The seller describes it as being in very good condition with no significant damage or problems. Except for several low-boost test passes, the car is essentially new. The Camaro has already recorded a 5.17-second pass at 140 miles per hour at 20 psi, running E85 with a soft 60-foot. It has been professionally tuned and reportedly needs additional boost and final chassis adjustments to reach its full potential. The chassis includes a certified 25.5 kg, Fueltech FT600 electronics, trick chassis brace 9-inch rear with Strange Pro aluminum center, Pro 4.10 gear, and Strange 40 spline gun drilled axles. Suspension equipment includes Midwest chassis components, RSM tubular front end, AFCO radial valved shocks with sensors, Strange brakes, and Weldon RC comp wheels with Mickey Thompson 275 Pro radials. Power comes from a 6.0 iron block engine with Molnar crankshaft and H-beam rods, Trickflow CNC heads, BTR shaft rockers, TKM black sheep cam, Wisico pistons, Holley high ram intake, Bosch 210 injectors, and an Aeromotive fuel system. The drivetrain uses a fully built 2-speed TH400 with SFI case, PTC converter, Griner transbrake, and M&M billet dump valve with CO2 shifter. Turbo hardware includes a forced induction's 94mm billet turbo, RSM headers, and precision intercooler equipment. This Camaro represents a serious, extensively developed drag racing platform built without compromise. 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Big Tire Bracket Race. Price, $23,500, located in Paris, Illinois. This Chevrolet Camaro is a race-ready big tire bracket car offered at $23,500, featuring a new drivetrain and an extensive collection of competition equipment. The car is powered by a new 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 750 horsepower. Power is transferred through a new Powerglide transmission equipped with a transbrake and 9-inch converter. The rear end uses a Strange 4.88 aluminum center with Strange 40 spline axles. The Camaro has completed approximately 12 runs and has recorded mid-6-second 8th-mile times during early testing. The seller believes the combination has low 6-second potential. The car reportedly hooks well and goes straight, making it a promising bracket racing platform. Chassis equipment includes a 12-point cage with an 8.50 NHRA certification, S&W back half-ladder bar suspension, adjustable aluminum coilovers, anti-roll bar, and 60-inch chrome moly wheelie bars. 4-wheel disc brakes with adjustable proportional valve, line lock, and Hurst quarter stick shifter provide additional control. The fuel and electrical systems have also received numerous upgrades. The car features a new MagnaFuel 500 fuel pump, filter, regulator, 4-inch driveshaft, MSD ignition box, aerospace vacuum pump, transmission cooler, fuel cell, and current seatbelt date. Cooling equipment includes a Mazir remote water pump, large CNR aluminum radiator, and electric cooling fan. Additional components include 2¼ tube headers, alternator, 1-year-old battery, multiple gauges, front engine plate, and mid plate. The seller is also offering a complete BBC 582 race engine for $12,500 and new BBC 565 cubic inch JE high compression pistons for $850. This Camaro provides a serious, freshly equipped bracket racing package. 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Price, $31,500, located in Lagudi, Indiana. This 1965 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova is a solid and clean classic performance car offered at $31,500. The vehicle has approximately 75,000 miles, an automatic transmission, blue exterior, and black interior. Originally equipped with a factory inline 6-cylinder engine and Powerglide transmission, the Nova received a V8 swap within the last 9 months and now features a substantially upgraded drivetrain and suspension package. Power comes from a small block Chevrolet 383-stroker engine equipped with Brodix Track 1 aluminum heads. The engine is paired with a built TH350 automatic transmission, providing a strong combination for street and performance use. At the rear, the car uses a quick performance 9-inch rear end with a 4-link suspension setup, giving the Nova a modernized foundation for handling increased engine output. The fuel system includes a stock-style fuel tank with a sump and -10 and fuel lines. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, while the battery has been relocated to the trunk to improve packaging and weight distribution. The seller states that the car has a solid body and complete interior. The paint has a few imperfections in various areas, but the overall presentation remains very good. Numerous additional new parts have been installed, although the seller notes there are too many to list individually. This Nova is described as a recently converted V8 Classic with significant mechanical upgrades already completed. Its 383-stroker, built TH350, quick performance 9-inch rear end, for-link suspension, upgraded fuel system, and aluminum cooling system make it an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking a clean classic Chevrolet with strong performance potential and room for further development. 22. 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Custom. Price, $12,500, located in Columbus, Ohio. This 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Custom is a modified street and strip classic offered at $12,500. The vehicle shows approximately 77,777 miles, has an automatic transmission, green exterior, and black interior. The seller states that the actual mileage is unknown. Rather than being presented as a perfect restoration or show car, this Monte Carlo is described as an older modified vehicle with plenty of character and a setup designed for performance driving. Power comes from a built 355 cubic inch small block V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The combination is complemented by drag slicks and a cowl hood, giving the Monte Carlo an unmistakable street and strip appearance. The car is intended for enthusiasts who appreciate a modified classic rather than a factory original example. A substantial amount of recent mechanical work has been completed. New brake lines and front rotors have been installed, along with a brand new starter, battery, fuel pump, radiator, and spark plugs. These updates provide a useful starting point for someone looking to enjoy the car while continuing to improve its overall condition. The seller says the Monte Carlo has plenty of character and attracts attention wherever it goes. Buyers are encouraged to understand that the vehicle is being sold as is and is not represented as a finished restoration. A personal inspection is recommended before purchase, especially for buyers evaluating an older modified car. Priced at $12,500 or best offer, this 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo offers a straightforward street and strip package with a 355 V8, TH350 transmission, drag slicks, cowl hood, and numerous recent mechanical upgrades. The seller is not accepting trades and is seeking serious inquiries from interested buyers.